Hello, my name is Rafi Swash. I'll be covering a module called Introduction to Algorithms, and also I'll be discussing various algorithms used in the computer science areas. And this is an introductory lecture. Basically, I'll be talking about what are the topics I'll be covering and why we are covering those topics and why they are important. The main target of the module is that finding the efficient procedure solving the large problems or large input problems. And the application for this, the motivational application for this algorithms are Google Map, Satnav, or even a Google search engine, and what are the algorithms are using Google search engine to find what you're looking for. And as well as the file comparison, finding the difference between two files. And these are the algorithms I'll be covering in this modules. And this is applicable for all computer science and computer engineering students. I'll be covering a document distance algorithms. This algorithm is used mainly to compare two documents. And if you're given two documents, if it is a large document, and can you tell me what's the difference between those documents, or is it change these documents? Then there are certain things you can apply. I mean, it's a simple one of just comparing the names. And then when you go one step further, low level, then you really need to look at the byte and bit level, how this two documents compares with each other and what are the changes in there. So document distance algorithms help you to do this, to carry out this operation. And also I'll be covering binary search tree algorithms. This algorithm is particularly good if you have index data. For example, if you have 1 to 100, from 1 to 100 in an array and all sorted, then if you want to looking for example, number 10, then you can use a binary search tree, which you can find what you're looking for quicker. I just said from 1 to 100 is just a small thing. But however, when we're talking about the billion of inputs, for example, Google Map or Google search engine, then it's very important. You have to find a very efficient algorithm to do certain things. And after, I'll be also talking about the algorithm, for example, sorting. A sorting algorithm is how quickly you can sort data. For example, you have random numbers, and what are the algorithms and what are the sorting algorithms applicable for certain applications or certain areas. And then I'll be talking about the hashing algorithm. What are the hashing algorithms? Why we use hashing algorithms? And for example, phone numbers. If you want to have a phone directory, provides comparing the phone or finding the phone numbers from the directory. If you have, for example, phone numbers, 11 numbers, if you want to really look at for the oldest 11 numbers in an exhaustive way, it's not really efficient. So in a way, is how you overcome the problem is you just develop a hashing algorithm. You hash the data from the long string, and then it gives you the shorter things, and you can speed up your search. I'll be also talking about the shortest path. This algorithm is very good and very applicable, and if you're trying to find a best option, when you have multiple options, you want to pick up the best one. For example, if you travel from A to Z, and you will have more than one route for that. So how you can pick the best one, the shortest path in a quick, in a short time. This algorithm gives you the facilities to find out that. And after the last one, I'll be talking about the dynamic programming. When I say dynamic programming, it's not literally going to the software program and writing program code. No, it's about anything tabular structure. So in a way, before the programming language was invented, it was a human being used to do this tabular procedures. So you have to go through sequentials in a tabular manner. So I'll be talking about little bit about the dynamic programming and what it is good and why we're using dynamic programming. Also, I'll be talking about how we can convert real world problems into algorithms, in a way analog world into digital.